Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to learn about the preposition of time, in, on, at. Look at this carefully. In the evening, on the evening, at the evening, on Christmas Eve, at Christmas. That is what we are going to learn in today's class. Let's start with in, on, at, preposition of time. When we look in, on, at, we move from general to more specific. In is general. On is quite general. At is normally more specific. We use in, the preposition in, to express general time. On for quite general, not specific. And at for more specific. Let's take a look at in first. We use in to talk about periods of time. General periods of time. In is very general. In is very general. Look at the example. In the past, in the present, in the future. These are all general time. So we have used in, the preposition in here. Here are some examples. In the future, I would like to get married. In the past, I worked hard to earn money. We are expressing the time in general, so we have used the preposition in. In is also used to talk about years, groups of years, and centuries. If you want to talk about years or group of years or centuries, you can use the preposition in. Here is an example. In 2001, in the 70s, in the 21st century. Look at the example. I was born in 2001. I was born in the 70s. My great-grandfather was born in 19th century. For years, group of years, and for centuries, we have to use the preposition in. And next, in is also used to talk about seasons. If you want to talk about seasons, you have to use the preposition in before the season. In summer, in winter, in autumn. Look at the example here, example sentence. In winter, I feel really bad. In summer, she went to Canada. So, before seasons, we have to use the preposition in. We also use in to talk about months and weeks. If you want to talk about months and weeks, before every month and week, we have to use the preposition in. Here is an example. In March, in September, in 3 weeks' time, in a few weeks. In March, my son will be 21. I will complete the project in a few weeks. Lastly, we use in to talk about parts of the days. General parts of the days. Example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. These are all the parts of the days. So, before the parts of the days, we have used in. In the morning, I go to school. In the evening, I go for swimming. So, we came to a conclusion that in is used to talk about general time period. Next, let's move on to on. How can you use on to express time? It is much more specific, but not quite specific as at. We use on to talk about dates. For example, on the 22nd of 1985, I was born. Here we have added the date 22nd. So we have used the preposition on here. Example, on my mother's birthday, we went out for dinner. On my mother's birthday, we went out for dinner. On is used to talk about holidays that includes day. Example, on New Year's Day, on Christmas Day, on a bank holiday. Here, in every holiday, we have added the word day. So, we have used the preposition on. Look here, we don't say on Christmas. We do say on Christmas Day. We also use on to talk about the days of the week. Days of the week. Before the days of the week, we have to use the preposition on. Example, on Monday, on Thursday, on Monday morning, on Thursday evening. Next, on is also used to talk about the days of the month. Example, on the 10th of June, on the first day of May. Miscellaneous use of on time. I arrived to school on time. On time means not late. Okay, let's move on to at, the most specific preposition. At is used to tell the specific time. We use at to talk about specific time. At 9 a.m., at 4 o'clock, at lunchtime, at sunrise, at sunset. So, for specific time, you have to add the preposition at. We also use at to talk about holidays without day. Example, at summer. At summer, I like to spend time with my friends. At summer, I like to spend time with my friends. Here, on Easter Sunday. At Easter. We have added Sunday here, so we have used on. Here, only Easter. Before Easter, we have to use at. We have used in for the parts of the days, that is in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. But we do not use in night. Instead, we use at night. At night is the correct. At night is correct. So far, we have learned about the preposition in, on and at to express time. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.